Alright, hey YouTube, this is my WeThePeople Justice. It's a nice bike, I'd recommend it. It's got mostly salt parts here, if you can see that. Salt. Got the little salt hub. Salt pitch rock tire. Sorry, it's on the other side of the bike here. There you go. Salt pitch rod 20 by 25, 2.5 tire. Salt front hub there. WeThePeople frame. Salt forks. Frame is WeThePeople, if you can see that right there. It's got a salt headset. There. See if you can see it there. Got the salt headset. Got the salt stem. Don't know where the salt stem piece is, but right there you can see salt. I put the shadow conspiracy on here, the black shadows. I like those. They're really nice. If you can see them right there. Get in there. It's also got salt bars. I do not think they have the salt logo on them. I took off my brake mounts. Well, not my mounts. I took off my brakes, if you can see that. It makes the bike a little lighter, rides a little smoother. Here's the black Eclat pedals. Eclat. See if I can get the camera to focus in enough on there. Let's go like this. There you go. You want to hear what the hub sounds like, I take it. Here you go. Sorry if you can't really hear that. Got a bad camera. Doesn't have very good audio. And I have a question for you guys. I've got a bent front dropout. I don't know if you can see that, but it's bent. Here, I'll show you. Kind of stops my front tire pretty fast. And I'm wondering what I can do to fix that. Could you give me some help there? Grounding out, trying to smooth stall on concrete ledges. That seems to be spinning pretty nice for once. Yeah, you just see how it's stopped like that? I've kind of got a question on how to fix that. So, give me a heads up, please. Yeah, got my WeThePeople Justice seat. Salt. Just about every piece on here is salt. I'm not sure if that's a salt chain or not. I don't know what kind of chain that is. And yeah, that about does it for my bike check. Later, YouTube.